Yep, they're
13 years old, folks. How about that young man?
I'd like to thank Silver Cat Ranchers, my mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Kuyat Body and Custom, Finetti, Schlewitz, Tom Rose Photographing, All-Star Performance, the American Ethanol Series, my crew, Kelly Byers, Cam, and my uncle Greg and Mason for coming out, and that's about it.
Derek Kraus, ladies and gentlemen. A very impressive young man, that's for sure. All right, who should we talk to next year? How about Camden Murphy? You had a start in the back, you had a lot of trucks to pass, and there was only one that you didn't pass. All in all, not a bad night.
No, it isn't. Well, I guess we could say it was, because look at the front of this truck tonight. But, you know, it is what it is. Thanks to the fans coming out, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. You know, it was a little disappointing what happened there with the last couple laps ago. I don't know what that was about, but it is what it is. You know, I guess it's part of racing, unfortunately. But, hey, you know what? We'll move to the next one. We got Madison on Friday. So thanks to Ronald McDonald Huss Cherries of Chicagoland, Northwestern Indiana, O'Hare Auto Body, Mark Sines, Carl Doctor Jr., True Power Oil. I couldn't do it without them, that's for sure. And once again, thanks to you guys, the fans. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here.
Camden Murphy, second place.